Hi, welcome to the channel. Well, it's been a while since I've been out on the motorbike, so I'm just got it all packed up, ready to go. Going to do an overnighter and have a bit of a play around. I'm aiming for the old brickworks over at Clackline, but I'm going to go through the bush and some farmland, so if I see somewhere else I might try that, do the hammock camping, take the drone with me, and I've actually got a mount for the controller. You can see that there. So hoping to mount the controller and fly the drone out and get some footage of the bike. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens.
Don't say to me you cannot see the changes in the sky. Don't try to read the messages that are in between the lines. Well, let's pack our things, get motoring, let's hit the Guam guy. Cause on the road there is no load and everything is fine. Let us go and fly now. Let us go and ride now. Tonight. I've settled up upon my ride and hit the open road, and everything washes away all these troubles I have known. They stay right there, I pin them down and burn them in the fire. The spark that lights is in my heart is fueled by my desire. Let us go and fly now. Let us go and ride now. Tonight. Stars over my head. I've taken roads that no one knows, what adventures I have led. But every turn and every line will lead me back to you. And all these crisscross patterns, you're the journey that I choose. Let us go and fly now. Let us go and ride now. Tonight.
If I asked you once if you've ever lied, if I asked you twice, would you be my bride? And if I asked you thrice, if you'll just stay, 'cause I am lonely today. If I asked you once why the birds fly so high, if I asked you twice, is there anything I didn't try? And if I asked you thrice to do all that you
Well, I made it. Quite a pleasant ride out there, a few things to see on the way. As I say, I've been here before with the drone, but I haven't been up the back and had a good look around. It's a lot bigger than I thought, the area out the back, so just have a bit of a wander around. It's a shame that it's just been let go and not turned into a bit of a tourist attraction down there. But I suppose Shire's got to have the money and it's got to pay off. Amazing different colours as you come and have a look around here. A few wrecks of cars around. I'd say it's been a place to either come and dump them or drive them until they're knackered. So So that's looking back down towards the refractory. There's a big puddle of water down there too. And it looks like a good four-wheel driving spot or motorbike spot up here. There's plenty of tracks and trails, so we'll go and do a bit more of explore and then find somewhere. God, it's slippery. And then go and find somewhere to set up camp. Still quite warm and a few flies around, but not too bad actually. Alright, this section requires a little bit of post-production narration. Found the perfect spot, trees the right distance apart, got the hammock up, and I thought, what a magic spot. Out of the way, no one's going to come and run over me or find me up there. And I was just setting up, put the mat down underneath, or my ground sheet I should say, underneath the hammock, and halfway through setting up, looked down and it was actually covered in kangaroo ticks, great big ones. And I thought, bugger this, they were climbing up my legs, and I had to do a quick pack up and head back down, and that's why I'm camped on the concrete in the next part of the video. Well, all set up now, got some firewood, there's some just next door to me there, so it's not too far to go. All under cover, time for step 2. Oh, rum and coke, can't beat it. So it'll be interesting if anyone comes around. I heard one car in the distance and there was one just going out as I came in. But I don't think anybody's going to be driving around or running around here in the middle of the night where I am. I'm tucked right in, so it's a good little spot. As you can see, got a nice table.
Like I can do anything. You make me feel like this little world's king.
Steak for tea.
When
Sun will be going down in that direction, so
I
I'm
don't try too hard.
looking east. Very peaceful and quiet. I did see a few rows in the background in the bush, and I'll do a bit more of an explore tomorrow. So well, dinner tonight is going to be a nice piece of Scotch fillet with mushrooms, and I've got a garlic sauce to go on it, some steamed veggies which I'll just do in the boiling bag, and somewhere in my bag is a little heat and eat sticky date pudding, so that's the next one. So we'll just get some coals going here and we're away.
Make me feel like a shooting star.
Oh, well, dinner's on.
We watched last
Got the garlic sauce and the veggies in the hot water. Get the steak on and throw the mushies in, and then just heat that water up a little bit more, and we're ready to go. And it's time for step 3.
like I will never be alone. When I don't try too hard. When I don't get too far. You won't crucify me or make me feel pain. You just put your arms around me in this pouring rain, and I don't think that I can take anymore.
Oh well, that was dinner done. Absolutely magic. So go for a bit of a walk around and have a look at the place, and then I'll do another one when it gets a bit darker. Without falling down great holes. So got me firewood from just up here. That old rickety old ladder. Sun's gone over the hill now. That's all the tanks up there for the oil fired, I'm presuming, for the later ovens down here compared to the old wood fired ones out in front.
When old Bobby died, there's something in me that cried.
See that? Just
Play guitar, you see.
down behind there's another car coming through.
Yeah, he'd
People
listen
doing
well.
drive-throus all the time.
He'd say things like damn and hell
Suppose
while
there'll be
my
a few
mother
night ones.
cringed in the kitchen making tea.
Right, just come over here.
And yeah, I wanted to play good. Then he died in his sleep. I guess
Okay,
I
looking back
did the
down on
best
that.
I could. But now my wildwood flower.
Well, let's go back over and go back over to the camp and listen to a little bit more of my audio book. I forgot to put my sticky date pudding in, so that's a bit of a travesty really.
Gotta be somebody around
well.
here.
I'll get it for the next one, or I might just cook it up when I get home, have it for breakfast.
And all the things that he held dear. Yeah, I wanted to play good. A promise I wanted to keep. I guess I did the best I could. And now my wildwood flowers weep.
Well, morning, it's just on 5 o'clock. A little bit overcast. I think there's some thunderstorms predicted for today, so I think I'll be heading home fairly early. But it was a good night's sleep. Cooled off a little bit, but I had extra clothing to put on, so no worries there. Come prepared.
Sometimes I hear old Bob, you know.
Bird life is out there this morning. A little bit of road traffic noise last night. It is the Great Eastern Highway, so I expected that, but it is what it is. Time to get some breakfast on and then get packed up.
I did the best I could. Still sometimes my wildwood flowers weep. My wildwood flowers weep. My wildwood flowers weep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't say to me you cannot see the changes in the sky. Don't try to read the messages that are in between the lines. Well, let's pack our things, get motoring, let's hit the Guy. 'Cause on the road there is no load and everything is fine. Let us go and fly now. Let us go and ride now. Tonight. I've saddled up upon my ride and hit the open road, and everything washes away all these troubles I have known. They stay right there, I pin them down and burn them in the fire. The spark that lights is in my